Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Muzammil, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can run a website, how you can first of all download the file of a website which is already pre-coded, which you do not have to write the code from scratch without using any AI tool. You don't need an AI tool to download a website or write down the code for a website. It is already pre-written on GitHub, and directly you can download the code and you can use that project. You can make minute customized changes in that project, and after that you can deploy the project on your own server. If you already have a domain also, you can link it with your domain. So in today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to download a personal project, how to download any project which is already made by any person and he has made it public, and then you can download it and you can also run it. So end-to-end process I'm going to show you. Without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, head to your browser, type in GitHub. You can see I already have GitHub logged in over here. If you do not have a GitHub account, you can add an account. You can sign in from here, continue with Google or continue with your Apple ID. Already have a Google account that is already here. So I'll sign into the Google account. And suppose now I want a website, or today I'm going to show you a personal portfolio that I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to work on that personal portfolio and deploy that personal portfolio as well. So I'll go to the top search bar over here, type / to search. So I'll write down portfolio. You will see a lot of websites, a lot of people have posted their portfolios. You can see most of the portfolios are written in JavaScript. It is Python, TypeScript, Java. So all these people have written their code, and they have made these repos public so that people can come and share their work and develop some new elements in these websites. So today I'm going to copy any of the website, and then we are going to work on that. So let us take the first one, not a portfolio. It is somyajit.tech. It is the review of the website also, or you can also go through any of the personal portfolios, whether it is in TypeScript or any other dev mode. You can see here use Tailwind, CSS, Next.js, frames. So here are the languages that have been used in this. Cool. So this is the personal portfolio this person have made. It is into JavaScript 5%. Mostly have used TypeScript and CSS. So we can use this project, or else I'll recommend you guys to use a project which is mostly used into a React or Node, so that it is easy to deploy also. You can see this project is mostly made into JavaScript, CSS and HTML. So he have made it with JavaScript, React.js, Node.js, Express.js, CSS3, VS Code and Vercel. You have deployed this through Vercel also. So from here you can check the whole tech stack, and you can directly copy this project with the help of some clone commands. But what I will do is I'll download the project first, then I will run it on my local computer. So first of all, I'll go to download zip. You can use this link to copy the project to your VS Code if you are already on VS Code. But if you're a beginner, if you're a fresher, you can what you can do is you can download the zip file directly. Okay, so here it is, the zip file. What I will do is I will extract the zip file, extract all. Great. Now I have this file over here, portfolio master. I will cut this and I'll paste it on my desktop. Now to run this project, you can see we have a lot of files over here in this project. And personally, I have not worked into React, so I do not know where the files are located and which file is actually related to what sort of thing. So what we will do is, to run this file, first of all, we need VS Code on our laptop. So if you already have VS Code, you can installation process of how to download the VS Code. So now we are going to download VS Code, Visual Studio Code. You can download it from the from Chrome, or you can directly go to Microsoft Store and you can download it from there also. So I'll download it from here, Windows installer. Directly go to the Visual Studio Code and then download it from here. It is going to download the setup. We're going to download the setup for our VS Code. We have successfully downloaded the setup. I accept. Hit next, next folder also. Okay, so hit next, 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 install. So we have successfully installed our VS Code. Now let's finish the setup. Now let's open VS Code directly. From here on the top right corner we have this file option, and then we'll go to the folder, open folder. We have placed the file on our desktop, so we'll select that folder. Great. So we have this folder over here in which we have the images, we have the public, we have source code. Cool. So we have successfully imported our files over here in VS Code. Now to run this project, we need to look what are the instructions that have been given into the portfolio section, or into the you can say repository where we have downloaded it from. So what we have used is React.js, Node.js, Express.js, CSS3, VS Code, and Vercel. So mostly we need React, Node, and Express.js on our laptop. You can see I do not have any sort of software or any sort of installed app right now. You can say work on this project. We will work on this project and we'll run this project on our personal laptop, and then we'll deploy this also. Cool. So you can check out my system is clean right now. I do not have any programming software right now, or any React or Node module or any software related to this in my laptop. We need to, for installation and setup, we need to download these particular software. So what we will do is first. So what you can do is you can directly open Copilot from here. On the top right corner above search option, you can directly chat with Copilot. So it is inbuilt, Copilot is there. So I already have this file that is associated. So I'll write down few prompts so that I'll get to know what are the softwares I have to download. I have just downloaded the zip file of, let's copy this link, and now I want to run it on my laptop. So can you tell me what are the softwares I need on my laptop to run this project? Okay, so I have given it the prompt, getting the data. Okay, so it is saying Node.js. This project is built with React and Node.js, so you must have Node.js installed on your computer. Download it from nodejs.org. It is giving me the link alongside. So after that, npm node package manager, npm comes with bundle of node, will set up node installation setup and all these things. So I think that's all. Node.js is what we need as of now. I'll directly head to Node.js website, and I think I have this get Node.js over here. I'll click on this Windows installer, and here we go. I think I got the installation. Yes, I got the installation on my download section. So opening when it's completed. Cool, successfully I have downloaded Node.js. It is really simple, guys. If you know that how to use AI along with your project, it is really simple to download any project and run it on your computer. So I have this on my laptop now. I'll hit next. Accept the license agreement, hit next, and then next again. Automatically install the necessary tools. I'll hit this script pop-up and install. So I guess we have got ourselves Node.js and it is getting installed. Give the specific permissions and it will get installed. Maybe it might take some time, so I'm going to skip the process if it might take some time in between. Okay, so I have successfully installed Node.js on my computer, and also I have restarted my computer. If you have also downloaded Node.js on your laptop, I'll recommend you to restart your computer so that all the packages that you have installed will work perfectly on your laptop. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open VS Code again, which will store your code. Once the VS Code is open, now what we need to do is you can directly check in over here. There are a lot of terminal options over here, and I guess I'm in the command prompt. So I'll first of all type in npm install, so that all the packages that that are actually required to run this project, they will get installed on this laptop. is getting installed. It might take some time, so I'm going to skip the process for you. Guess the npm install have worked successfully. Now I'm going to type in npm start. Okay, so now you can see, you can now view your portfolio in browser, local host 3000. You can follow the link directly from here. Great. Now we have successfully got our project on our local host 3000. Without internet also we can run the project on local host. And also if you want to change these things, like there is Somyajit Bhara written over here, freelancer, or if you want to totally customize this website or personalize this as per your profile, so you can do that also. For that you can directly go to the package and you can check the source code is here, the images are here, node modules, public, right? There are a lot of things. You can check each and every item over here, about.js, right? In about card.js there might be Somyajit is written over here. If you want to change this to suppose I want to change this to Muzammil, so I can do that also. And then once I'll save it, Control S, you can see this is also going to get changed. I refresh the page. We changed it from hi there, hi everyone, so it is the about section. You can see the about section is here, and I have successfully changed it to I am Muzammil. And also if you want to change it in the home page also, you can see this is home page, and in home page also you can find out, you may be able to find out Somyajit Bhara written over here, and you can change it accordingly as per your name. Suppose it is written over here, so I'll change it to Muzammil, and then once I'll save it, so it will get changed over here also. You need to refresh the page again. Now you can see over here, so we have successfully changed it to Muzammil. Now whenever you want to make any changes in your project, there are two ways to make any changes in your project. If you want to change anything in your project, you can directly go to the project files, and here you can locate which file you have to change. Suppose I'm going to the source code, assets, and then project. So here you can check there are a lot of images, emotions, belief, suicide, code editor. You just have to replace these images with your own images. These are the project images that Somyajit have made, so you can replace them with your own projects. But make sure when you are changing the project name, you have to make sure to rename your new image as Chatify if you are replacing this one, blog as if you are replacing this one. You don't have to change the name. If you want to change the name also, now suppose I have changed the name of the resume from Somyajit to Muzammil Manzoor Bhatt, so I have to make sure to locate the code of the resume section and then technically change the name over here also, as I have changed it earlier. Similarly, if you want to change the name of this logo, so what you can do is you can change the name of logo from navigation bar, as it is available on the navigation bar. So you can check logo.png is mentioned over here. If you want to replace this image, along with that, if you want to change the name of this image also, you have to change it over here also. And if you double click on this logo, so you can find out all the places where we have to replace the logo. Suppose it is mentioned over here also, so we have to replace the logo from here also. Now talking about the deployment of the project. For deploying your project, you need to open your browser. First of all, directly go to github.com. If you do not have any idea about GitHub, so GitHub is basically version control, which is used to deploy the code. Or if you are programming into VS Code, you can directly push your code from VS Code to GitHub, which is a version control where a lot of developers can work collaboratively with each other, and they can push their code over there. They can upload the code on GitHub. When you are visiting GitHub, you have to create a new repository. From here, you can create a new repository, as I have created portfolio over here. Similarly, you have to create a new repository, and here are the commands to push the code to GitHub. And here are also same commands, and you can use ChatGPT to check which command will be used first. and then if you are getting any error also, similarly you can copy the error and then paste it in ChatGPT, and it will give you a proper resolution for the same. Once you're going to do all these steps, once you're going to upload your file, upload the code on GitHub, then you directly have to head to Vercel, which is actually a free platform to upload or deploy your projects or the front end part of your project free of cost. Into this, you are going to go to add new, and from add new you are going to upload a project. You can see I have uploaded a lot of projects over here. So this is only the front end part, and you can also do the same. You can go to the project section and then continue with GitHub, link your GitHub account, upload the code, and directly push the code over here on Vercel, and from here you can directly make your project live. If you want me to create a detailed video about changing all the things, like replacing all the elements in the project, so you can comment, or else if you want me to show you the step-by-step guide for deployment of the project, so you can comment deployment in. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon, so that whenever I am going to upload a new video, you will be having an early access of that video. Thank you so much for watching.